Hello guys, I'm gonna give you a cold start of my 1997 K1500. It has I just barely put well, I had a straight pipe for a while because the cats were plugged and was causing my transmission to shift funny and all that stuff, you know, like hesitation and all that. Well, I just put a new the new muffler because I put headers, because the original mufflers, the pipe will keep on falling on where it connects to the headers. So I just barely did it. It's a 2.5, like I said, magnaflow, 2 in and 2 out, the muffler. And so there you go. Hope you guys like it. This is a cold start. I'm gonna rev it a little bit. It's gonna sound weird because it's still cold. Just gonna rev it a little bit, okay? I'm gonna put it in the ground. Sorry for the finger. That was it, guys. That was my K1500. Hope you liked this video. If you guys want a remote start for these old trucks, this remote start is called Avatar. It's an Avatar remote start from Amazon. It only cost me 40 bucks. If you get the diagram, you can install it pretty quick. So hope you guys like this video. Thank you. Bye. God bless you guys. Happy New Year's. Merry Christmas. And take care.